Bitcoin. You've heard about it everywhere, on the news, social media, and even from that one friend who won't stop talking about crypto. But what exactly is Bitcoin and why does it matter? Let's break it down in simple terms. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that isn't controlled by any government or bank. Unlike traditional money, which is printed and managed by central authorities, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network, allowing people to send and receive money directly without middlemen. This means faster transactions, lower fees, and greater financial freedom. The blockchain, Bitcoin's digital ledger. Every Bitcoin transaction is recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Think of it as an open notebook that's constantly updated and verified by thousands of computers worldwide. Because this ledger is decentralized, no single entity can manipulate or erase transactions, making Bitcoin secure and transparent. Mining. How new Bitcoins are created. Unlike traditional currency, which can be printed, Bitcoin is mined. This process involves powerful computers competing to solve complex mathematical problems. When a miner successfully solves a problem, a new block is added to the blockchain, and the miner is rewarded with newly created Bitcoin. This process not only generates new coins, but also helps verify and secure transactions across the network. Why use Bitcoin? One major reason people use Bitcoin is its limited supply. Unlike traditional money that can be printed indefinitely, only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist, making it resistant to inflation. Another benefit is speed and cost efficiency. Sending Bitcoin across borders is much faster and cheaper than traditional banking systems, which often involve hefty fees and long processing times. Additionally, Bitcoin gives users more control over their money. Without banks acting as gatekeepers, people can transact freely without worrying about account freezes or excessive restrictions. The risks you need to know. Before diving in, it's important to understand the risks. Bitcoin is highly volatile, meaning its value can swing dramatically in short periods. This makes it an exciting but risky investment. Security is another key concern. If you lose access to your Bitcoin wallet, your funds could be gone forever with no way to recover them. Unlike traditional banks, there's no customer support to help you reset your password or retrieve lost funds. Additionally, Bitcoin's legal status varies by country. Some governments embrace it, while others impose restrictions or outright bans. Always check the regulations in your region before investing. Final thoughts. Bitcoin is more than just a trend. It's a revolutionary financial system that challenges traditional banking. However, understanding how it works is crucial before investing. The more informed you are, the better decisions you can make in navigating the world of cryptocurrency. Rocket.